The Rabbit Hunter. There was a cruel hunter. He was fond of rabbit meat. Every day he would hunt a rabbit for lunch. One afternoon he caught a rabbit and was walking towards his home. On the way he came across a saint. The saint said, "Son, let go of the rabbit. God will bless you for this kind of deed." The hunter replied, "Who are you to teach me about God? I will do as I please. I will kill this rabbit right here. Look." Saying so, he pulled out a large knife. The saint pleaded not to do so, but the hunter pushed him away. As the hunter sat down to slit the rabbit's throat, the knife slipped and cut his foot instead. He clutched his foot and cried out in pain, and the rabbit escaped. The hunter was injured and he could not walk properly ever again, let alone hunt rabbits. The Trickster. A crow was walking on the beach looking for food. He watched as the waves washed an oyster on the shore. He began pecking at it with his beak to break it open and eat the meat inside. But the oyster didn't open. Then he jumped on it, but the shell was too hard. It did not open. A cunning crow went up to him and said, "The oyster will not open even if you throw a stone at it. Let me share a trick with you. Fly high up and drop the oyster from above. The shell will break instantly." The hungry crow flew up in the air and dropped the oyster onto the rocks below. The cunning crow had been waiting for this moment. As soon as the shell broke, he scooped the meat in his beak and ate it, leaving the shell for the other crow. The Bell in the Jungle. In a village there was a huge tower. It had a bell that rang every noon. One day a thief stole the bell. He was passing through the forest nearby when he saw a tiger. In his fright, the bell slipped from his hands and he ran away. Several monkeys lived near the place where the bell had fallen. Soon they discovered its melodious sound. They would ring it every night, scaring all the villagers. A brave woman decided to find out the truth. She left for the forest with some fruits. "I will eat these during the day and return in the evening," she thought. In the forest, she saw the monkeys ringing the bell. She placed the fruits under a tree and hid behind it. When the monkeys ran towards the fruits, the woman took the bell and returned home. The villagers thanked her for her intelligence and courage. Mother Frog puffs up. One morning, Mother Frog went looking for food. Her babies were playing near a pool. Soon, a donkey came to the pool to drink water. He accidentally stepped on 2 baby frogs and they died. The third baby frog hid near a hedge by the pool. After some time, the donkey went away. When Mother Frog came home, she asked where the other babies had gone. The baby frog said, "Mother, a monster killed them with his foot." Mother Frog was angry. "I will teach him a lesson." "How big was he?" "As big as me?" she asked. "No, Mother, much bigger," came the reply. Mother Frog took a deep breath and puffed herself up with all her might and asked, "This big?" The baby frog said, "No, Mother, bigger." Mother Frog went on puffing up. She was trying to grow as big as the donkey, but it was impossible.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.